Hello everyone, time of recording this is 16:45 on Wednesday the 13th of July 2022. We've just finished train spotting here, but I've just forgot to record the introduction and we're just doing it in the nick of time. So you will mainly see a lot of 4000s, barely any 3000s, but you'll still see some. Enjoy the video, and I promise you it's going to be a good one, because there's barely any 3000s. Okay guys, first train of the day, it's 3000. Yes, we're at Greenisland again. Haven't been here in a few days. Yeah, I'm gonna start coming here an awful lot more. What are cheese strings doing here? It's a Coke can. There's all sorts of letter lying about here. Three, 1, 4. Whoops. See you whenever the train departs. Okay, it's departing now. Sorry for singing, by the way. I do that a lot. Three, 1, 4 to Great Victoria Street. Okay, here's a 3000. Again. Not again, not the same 3000. Another 3000. It's 3020. And it's heading to Lauren Harbour. See ya. Yep, train's about train's about to leave. Sorry about that, my dad was talking to me there. This is not good. 302 to Lauren Harbour. That train was delayed. It's 15:52 and it was expected 15:42. It was delayed because of a flippin' rude gesture by someone. That's odd. Okay guys, another train's coming, it's a 4000. This one's not delayed. The last one was, but this one isn't. Thank God for that. It's not like Translink to delay services on the Lauren line. It's more common on the Derry line and the Portadown, Newry, Dublin. That one. So anyway, here's 4004. Just by itself. See you when the train departs. Okay, we're leaving now. That's a friendly lady driver there. .404 to Great Victoria Street. She's nice. Next train, 4,000. We're lucky today, we're getting loads of 4,000s. Oh, there's the car alarm. 4012. Oh, what's happened to the rear cabbage? I said I done it again. No, no, I done it again. No way. I said cabbage again. See whenever the train departs. Okay, it's leaving now. I honestly can't believe I said that again. That's the second time it's happened. And no, it wasn't on purpose. Oh, thanks. Look at that. .412 to Whitehead. I still can't believe I'd done that though. First it's a mistake, twice it's not. That's stupid. Anyways, see you when the next train comes. Okay guys, another train coming. This is our second last train I think we'll be seeing. It's a 4,000. Sorry about that, my nose is a bit blocked up. Oh, we're missing a number. Don't worry, it's only a third digit. 408. I'm joking, it's only 4008. And it's off to Great Victoria Street. So, I'll see you when it departs. Okay, it's departed. Oh, whoa, whoa. .408 to Great Victoria Street. Zach's ex-girlfriend. That does not need another reminder. This next one will be our last train. Okay, last train, 3,000. What is up with the front of that? What? What is up with you 314? You got a lot of paint taken, not a lot, but a bit of paint taken off of you in the front. Care to explain? Or not? See you when the train departs. Okay, for the last time we're about to leave. Oh no. .314 to Whitehead. My friend's on that train as well, so said hello to her. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. I will see you in another video, and goodbye.